In this video, I will show you a simple application, how to convert the latitude and longitude decimal degrees into radians. The plugin used here to calculate is the degrees-to-radians plugin. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video we will learn how to install a plugin and make use of it. Before going into this video, in my previous video, we have learned step by step how to install a plugin and make use of it. If you have not seen the video, please watch it. The link is given in the description. If you want more videos more often, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you know when new content is released. Now search for one of my plugin named degrees-to-radians. Once it gets installed into your QGIS, open the plugin. After it opens, we can see the user interface. Now the user has to enter the latitude and longitude values in decimal degrees. For example, I am entering a latitude value as 33.74899 and for longitudes 41.87811. And when clicked the calculate button, we can notice that the plugin has converted both the given the values into radians. If the values are in negative, please enter with minus sign. Now you can make use of this plugin. As always, if you learned something new, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave us a like to support. See you next time. Thank you.